Hi, I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and today we're working on building a chicken coop. So the base is 2x6s. I have 16-foot boards on this side and on both sides, and 8-foot boards in between. The 2x4s that you see inside, that is going to hold up the wire so that we can get those in place. So that'll be enough to get the first couple panels anyway, 2-3 panels, get started anyway. So I guess we're gonna get to it. Ready? So this is what we're using, like a V-shaped nail.
To attach the coop to?
Yeah, to attach the
cattle
panels to the frame.
Just put one on each end right now.
Okay, I'm gonna get some zip ties and zip tie the panels together now before I nail in that last panel that's a hog panel. It's a little bit different than the cattle panels, and I just want to make sure that it fits right. So this end up here is going to be the coop. It will be 6 by 8 on the inside, and then the rest of it will be a run for them. And I'll have a door at the end. And this end, I haven't decided yet if I'm going to put a door in it. I'll probably frame it like a door because it's easier to get the wheelbarrow and clean it out. Okay, so I'm going to go get the zip ties, so I'm going to turn the camera off. Okay, I have some zip ties, so I am just going to zip tie together the panels where they meet, and that's just to kind of keep them even, so when I put on the tarps, that'll be done. As you can see, our property goes downhill. That side is further downhill and tweaks, so we still got to square it up and level it. Okay, so we got the panels up. My husband had to help me, of course. You probably saw that. It's a two-person job. One person can't really do it. Well, you can, but it's hard. I can't do it by myself, put it that way. And I've stapled it all in. So we have the outer frame done and the panels on. That's where I'm going to quit for the day. I need to run to town and upload this video so you can have it for tomorrow, Saturday. If you're liking this kind of video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share our videos. It's the best way that you can help us to grow our homestead. There will be a part 2 and maybe even a part 3, depending on how much it takes to get it all done. But we really need to get this done in the next couple of days because these poor chicks are outgrowing the brooder. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless.